Looking to organize your WordPress content in a sleek, interactive way? In this video, we are diving into the tab store block from Nextblocks, perfect for creating dynamic tab section that enhances user experience. Whether you are showcasing services, team members, or product features, I'll guide you through setting up and customizing tabs without any coding. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also, make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the tab stores block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for tab store. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of tab stores block from Nextblocks. Keep in mind, this block is a freemium block, so some of the options will be only available if you have the pro version of Nextblocks. In the content tab, you'll have to use these repeater items to create your tabs. So let's see what are the options you will find in this repeater items. In the title, you can add the title of the tab. Then from the content type section, you can add content in 3 different ways. Content, where you can add text content in the description section. Then we have this editor, which we will see later in this video. Then we have this pattern option. With this option, you can use pattern as the content of the tab. From the select pattern drop down, you can select the pattern. If you don't have a pattern, you can also create pattern by clicking on this create pattern button. So let's select the pattern we had. Then from the Ajax load section, you can define how the pattern will load. The default option, it will load using the default Ajax method. If you select standard Ajax, it will load only when user click on this tab. That will improve the speed of your page. Then from the backend visibility toggle, you can see the pattern over here. By default, it will be disabled. To improve the editing experience, you can click on it to see the pattern over here. From the show inner icon toggle, you can add an image or icon to the tab title. Show outer icon toggle, you can add an icon after the text. In the unique ID field, you can add an ID to the tab, which you can use to direct users directly to a particular tab. You can click on the add tab button to add more tabs, or you can click on this plus icon to add more tabs, or minus to remove tabs. Now let's see the editor option. Let's scroll down over here. When you select the editor option, you can add content directly in the editor like we have done over here. We are using the info box block from Nextblocks, which gives you a lot of option to add unique type of content inside your tab. So let's get back to this one. From the layout tab, you can set the layout of this tab. You can set it to horizontal or vertical. If you select horizontal, from the navigation position, you can set the navigation to top or bottom. Then from the nav alignment, you can align the nav items. From the swiper effect toggle, you can add a swiper effect to this tab. So if you have long list of tab items, users can easily swipe them to navigate the tabs. If you select vertical, from the tab column toggle, you can split the tab items in columns, as you can see over here. From the column padding section, you can add padding in the column. In the extra option tab, you will find some additional options. From the default active tab, you can select any particular tab to be active by default. Then from the tab store type, you can select how the tab items will change. You can change it on click or on hover. Then from the connection carousel ID section, you can connect this tab stores block with the carousel anything block from Nextra blocks. We'll see that later in this video. In the style tab, we'll find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the tab title bar, you can adjust the title color of this tab item. You can also use global colors. From the typography, you can adjust the typography of this title. You can also use global typography. You can adjust the title color and typography for normal and active states. From the navigation width, you can adjust the width of this navigation. From the vertical alignment, you can align the tabs vertically. From the nav equal width toggle, you can make the width of this tab items equal. From the title on off toggle, you can hide tab title. From the nav full width toggle, you can adjust the width of the tab items. From the tab title bar, you can add margin padding in the tab items. From the between space, you can adjust the space between the items. From the normal tab, you can add border radius to this tab item. You can also add background. You can add solid color, gradient color, or an image to this tab items. You can also add box shadow. You can adjust these properties for normal and active states. From the main icon tab, you can adjust the styling of this icon. You can adjust the size, icon width, you can adjust the color, background, border radius, box shadow. You can adjust all these properties for hover or active states. From the spacing section, you can adjust the space between the text and the icon. By enabling the full width icon toggle, you can place the icon above the text. Similarly, from the outer icon section, you can adjust the style of the outer icon. From the hide outer icon toggle, you can hide the outer icon for specific device. From the navigation area background, you can add margin padding to this navigation area. You can add border radius, background, box shadow for this navigation area for normal and hover states. From the content tab, you can adjust the typography and text color. This option will only work if you have added content using the content option. Using this content option. Then from the content background section, you can add margin, padding, border radius, background to this content area of this tab content. From the content background tab, you can add margin, padding, border radius, background to this content area. You can also add box shadow. In the responsive options tab, you will find additional options for mobile devices. From the tab navigation responsive drop down, you can make this tab items full width. Use this option if you have limited number of items. These items will become full width on mobile device. You can set them vertically one by one, or you can force them to become an accordion. If you select accordion, you will find additional styling option to style those items. In the extra option tab, you will find some additional styling options. From the underline toggle, you can add an underline to the active tab. You can adjust the color, margin, width, height. You can also adjust the navigation opacity and navigation scale or zoom for normal and active states. Now let's say this connection carousel ID option. To use this option, you have to use both tab stores and carousel anything block on the same page. In the content tab, we have added 3 items. You can add content or you can leave it blank as well. Then in the extra tab option, we have added an ID. Then in the carousel anything block, we have added 3 items. So make sure these number of items and these remain same. In each item, we have added an image. Then in the carousel remote sync ID, we have added the same ID to build a connection between the 2 blocks. Now let's see how it works. When you click on a tab item, the carousel slide will change. Now let's get back to our previous example. In the advanced tab, we'll find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the tab stores block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.